Hello friends, good morning all of you. Here I am Gadekar Sachin Pandit. Today we are discuss on malonic ester, synthesis of malonic ester, synthetic application in mono or di-alkylation reaction, acylation reaction and cyclization reaction in malonic ester. So yesterday we are discussed on synthesis of beta hydroxy ketone and beta ketoester. Okay, so these reaction involve in aldol condensation reaction or Claisen-Ester condensation reaction. Okay, they may be self or they may be cross. Okay, so also we are discuss a Dickman reaction. Okay, Dickman reaction also similar as like a Claisen-Ester condensation reaction. Why? Because in this Dickman reaction in which two ester groups are present in within a molecule. Okay, so Dickman and Claisen-Ester condensation reaction are similar. In Dickman reaction, cyclization are possible in within a molecule. Okay, so also we are discuss on Perkin reaction. Okay, so in this Perkin reaction, we use a acid anhydride to form say acid. So here today we are discuss on synthesis of malonic ester and its synthetic application in monoalkylation, dialkylation as well as cyclization. Okay, so first what is malonic ester? This is the first structure. First it is the diethyl malonate, structure of diethyl malonate. In this diethyl malonate present a alpha hydrogen. Okay, there are two types of alpha hydrogen atoms present in malonic ester. These two hydrogen, two alpha hydrogen atom in last reaction, so a compound presents a two alpha hydrogen atom. Okay, this is weakly acidic proton and can be abstract by strong base. They may be sodium methoxide, or whatever may be. Okay, so this carbon ion can be stabilized by means of two ester group are present in malonic ester. Okay, so this last reaction, malonic ester reacts with strong base to form say B compound. Okay, B compound is carb anion of malonic ester. Okay, and these anions stabilize through resonance or minus R effect. Okay, and this forms a C and D types of carbon ion stabilization of malonic ester. So here synthetic application of malonic ester. Okay, first of all, first reaction, conversion of A compound to B. So A compound reacts with first sodium methoxide to form say anion of malonic ester, and then these anion reacts with second ethyl bromide, okay, to form say first alkylation reaction and then hydrolysis to form say acid, and these acid decompose when if we heated this reaction. So mechanism, second reaction, so first A compound malonic ester reacts with methoxide to form say compound B of enolate of malonic ester, and these enolate B reacts with first ethyl iodide, propyl iodide, okay, to form say alkylation reaction, substitution reaction. Okay, so these hydrolysis to form say C compound, okay, diacid, okay, and then this heat to form say decompose and form say D types of compound. A converts to D. So next is the synthetic application of malonic ester or diethyl malonate. Synthesis of malonic ester. First, we are synthesis by using a sodium chloroacetate. Okay, sodium chloroacetate reacts with hydrogen cyanide or SCN to form a sodium cyanoacetate, and this sodium cyanoacetate reacts with acid H2SO4 in presence of ethanol, okay, as a solvent, then heat to form a malonic ester, okay, diethyl malonate. Okay, so next is the synthetic application of malonic ester. First, synthesis of alpha substituted acetic acid. Okay, so in this reaction is a monoalkylation. Okay, how can convert malonic acid to alpha substituted acetic acid? Okay, how will you synthesis malonic ester to alpha substituted acetic acid? Okay, first we have to use malonic ester reacts with treated with sodium ethoxide first to form say anion of malonic ester, and this anion reacts with alkyl halide second alkyl halide to form say substitution reaction, alkyl substitution, monoalkylation reaction, and then hydrolysis to form say acid. Okay, so diacid, and this diacid heated and decomposed CO2 remove to form say alpha substituted acetic acid. So here mechanism. Okay, so this reaction malonic ester converts to alpha substituted acetic acid. Its mechanism. Okay, malonic ester reacts with sodium ethoxide or sodium methoxide to forms a sodium diethyl malonate. Okay, or malonic ester converts to its carb anion. Okay, so these anion reacts with methyl bromide. First alkylation possible to forms alpha methyl diethyl malonate. Okay, so these hydrolysis to gives a dicarboxylic acid. So this dicarboxylic acid we are heated to decompose a one acid group and forms a protonation to form a propanic acid. Here a reaction occur. Here questions are arise, how can convert malonic ester to propanoic acid? Okay, so first malonic ester treated with sodium ethoxide and then alkylation, then hydrolysis, then heat to decompose carboxylic acid and then protonation to form say propanoic acid. Okay, this is the whole mechanism to form malonic ester converts to propanoic acid. So next is the dialkylation. How can converts malonic esters to 2-methyl butanoic acid? Okay, so this is the first process we are discuss a monoalkylation. Here two alkylation possible. Okay, they may be within a molecules, they may be different halide groups. Okay, so malonic ester is malonic ester in presence a alpha hydrogen atoms, and they are acidic, weakly acidic, and used to form say its enolate. Okay, so here shown Lg is leaving group. Okay, and red is the conversion of ester to acid, and Lg is decomposed after acid formation. So first of all, dialkylation reaction, malonic ester reacts with sodium ethoxide to form its anion, and this anion reacts with second molecule propyl iodide to form a monoalkylation. Then these monoalkylated reacts with another sodium ethoxide to form a second anion of substituted malonic ester, and this anion reacts with methyl iodide, its second alkylation, and then hydrolysis heat to forms a 2-methyl butanoic acid. So this is the mechanism of formation of 2-methyl butanoic acid. Okay, first diethyl malonate reacts with sodium ethoxide, and then this anion reacts with methyl bromide to form a first alkylation. Then again these alkylated reacts with another sodium ethoxide to form a enolate, and this enolate reacts with second alkyl halide to form a second alkylation. And then hydrolysis to form a dicarboxylic acid, and then heat to form a 2-methyl butanoic acid. So here synthesis of cycloalkane carboxylic acid by cyclization. Okay, so this is the diethyl malonate in presence alpha hydrogen atom. These alpha hydrogen atoms reacts with sodium ethoxide, and they reacts with dihaloalkane. They may be forms a 3-membered cyclic ring. They may be forms a 4-member, 5-member, depends on dihalides. Okay, so n equal to 1, at that time 3-membered rings are possible. N equal to 2 to forms a 3-member, to forms a 4-member, to forms a 5th member, depends on we use a dihalides. So here synthesis of dicarboxylic acid by using malonic ester. Okay, so synthesis of gamma carboxylic acid when we use a 2 moles of malonic ester condensed with dihalomethane or dichloromethane to form a first tetraester. Okay, so then these tetraester which on hydrolysis and decomposition to produce a gamma dicarboxylic acid or glutaric acid. Okay, so first malonic ester reacts with sodium ethoxide to form its anion, and then this reacts with dichloromethane to form a tetraester, and then these tetraester hydrolysis to give a tetraacid, and tetraacid heat and decompose to form a propane 1,5 dicarboxylic acid and glutaric acid. So next, synthesis of succinic acid. How will you synthesize succinic acid? By using diethyl malonate. Okay, so interested of alkyl halide, if we use alpha haloester, we get a succinic acid or substituted succinic acid. Malonic diethyl malonate reacts with sodium acetate to form its enolate, and these enolates reacts with alpha bromoethyl acetate to form a substituted acetic. It's also Claisen ester condensation reaction, similar like this. Okay, and these hydrolysis to form a acid, and this acid we heat decompose to form a succinic acid. It's our target compound. Now here we are discuss a synthesis of cycloalkane carboxylic acid. Diethyl malonate. Okay, so diethyl malonate reacts with sodium ethoxide and forms a sodium salt or its enolate. Okay, so these enolate anion reacts with 1,4-dibromobutane, okay, to form a first alkylation. These first alkylated ester reacts with another sodium acetate to form a second intramolecular cyclization, second alkylation reaction to form ester. And these hydrolysis, heat and decompose to form a cyclopentane carboxylic acid. Okay, so in this synthesis of cycloalkane carboxylic acid, diethyl malonate substitute 1,4-dibromobutane to form a cyclopentane carboxylic acid. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Next lecture we are discuss a methyl malonate or acetoacetic ester and its synthesis, synthetic application and Wittig reaction. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.